Students, this is the continuation of what we have learnt in the previous video. In the previous video, we have covered the theoretical portions basically. So here in this video, I have come with numericals. So first of all, as you see in the board, the question is written, that is knockout fixture of 8 teams. So how to draw fixtures? First of all, we need to write down the teams vertically. Likewise, 1 to 8 vertically. Then, as told earlier, that total number of teams need to be divided into two halves, that is upper half and lower half. So we need to take into consideration the total number of teams while dividing into upper half and lower half. 8 is an even number. So for even number, the formula for distributing teams into upper half and lower half is n upon 2. So putting out the formula, n means number of teams participating. So 8 upon 2, that stands 4 teams. So 4 teams will be in upper half and 4 teams will be in lower half. We need to drag a line which is very much parallel to the ground. Next, just name it upper half and lower half. Next, we need to see that whether the teams are paired or not. In case of even, that is 8 teams will be easily paired. So likewise, write round 1 on the top and start making pairs. Pairs means 1 will be playing with 2, 3 will be playing with 4, 5 will be playing with 6, 7 will be playing with 8. So just find out winner. And finding out winner will be totally on your choice. You need not to give any logic to anybody. So 1 is playing with 2, find out winner. 3 is playing with 4, find out winner. 5 is playing with 6, 6 is winner. 7 is playing with 8, I have nominated 7 as a winner. So as we have learnt in knockout tournament, only the winners will be moving forward. The teams who are losing, they will be eliminated. So the winners of first round are 2, 3, 6 and 7. So these 4 teams will be moving forward, that is in round number 2. Again write on the top round number 2. 2 will be playing with 3, 6 will be playing with 7. Find out winner again. Say for example, I have taken 3 as a winner of match between 2 and 3. And the match between 6 and 7, I have nominated 7 as a winner. So again, the round 3. Right on the top, round 3. 3 and 7 will be playing. So out of the match of 3 and 7 here, 7 is the winner. Likewise. So this is an example of 8 teams participating in a knockout tournament. Now let us quickly do a numerical of 16 teams. So for 16 teams simultaneously, again we need to write down the number of teams vertically. Likewise, 16 teams are being lined up. Next, we need to divide total number of teams into two halves, that is upper half and lower half. Again, the formula, since 16 is a even number, the formula would be n upon 2. That stands 16 upon 2 means 8 teams. 8 teams in upper half. For lower half also n upon 2. Eight teams in lower half. So drag a line. Write down upper half, lower half. Next, find out whether the teams are paired or not. As we can see, teams are easily being paired. Right? Round 1 on the top. Find out winner. Likewise, next, round 2. 1 will be playing with 3, 5 will be playing with 7, 9 will be playing with 12, 14 will be playing with 16. Next, find out winner. Next to round number 3. 3 will be playing with 7, 9 will be playing with 14. Again, find out winner. So, moving further, round 4. 7 and 14 will be playing with each other. So, for example, 14 is the final winner. So this is a fixture of 16 teams participating in a knockout tournament. Now dear students, let us quickly see how to solve a numerical of knockout fixture for 13 teams. As you can see, I have written 13 teams. Next, I need to divide the total number of teams into two halves, that is upper half and lower half. For upper half, the formula, since 13 teams are odd, so for upper half the formula will be n plus 1 upon 2. For odd, the formula is n plus 1 upon 2 for upper half, where n means number of teams participating. So 13 plus 1 upon 2, that stands 14 upon 2 means 7 teams. 7 teams in upper half. Lower half, n minus 1 upon 2, that stands 13 minus 1 upon 2. So 7 teams in upper half, 6 teams in lower half. Now, now we need to see whether the teams are paired or not. We will find one team will be unpaired in upper half. So whenever teams will not be paired, we need to use by. Now, how to find out by? As we have learned earlier, the process of finding out by is we need to find out next power of greater than 2 from total number of participating team. That is 2 into 2, 4. Still 13 is greater. 4 into 2, 8. Still 13 is greater. 8 into 2, 16. Now we find 16 is greater than 13. So what we will do? We will subtract 16 from 13. We will be getting 3 byes. So as per rule, always the first by is given to the last team of lower half, that is 13. Write down by 1. Second by is given to the first team of upper half, that is team 1. Third by is given to the first team of lower half, that is team 8. Now write round 1 on the top. Now we need to see teams are being paired or not. Just check it. And you will find teams will easily be paired now. Next, we need to take into mind that the teams whosoever is being given by, that team will not be playing their round 1 match. They will start playing from second round onwards. I mean to say, the teams which are getting by will start playing from second round onwards, as you can see in the video. So find out winner. So second round onwards, the byes, the teams which have got byes will also join. Right? Round 2 on the top. Find out winner. Further move ahead. 1 will be playing with 4, 8 will be playing with 11. We need to only deal with the winners because we are doing knockout fixture. Next, as you can see, 1 is the winner in this fixture. Next, Next we are going to start knockout fixture of 17 teams. As told earlier, first we need to vertically write down the teams. Likewise, 1 to 17 vertically I have lined up. Next, according to formula, 17 is an odd number. So for odd number, for upper half, n plus 1 upon 2 is the formula. So putting up, where n means number of teams participating, 17 plus 1 upon 2, that stands 18 upon 2 means 9 teams will be in upper half. For lower half, the formula would be n minus 1 upon 2, that stands 17 minus 1 upon 2 means 16 upon 2 means 8 teams in lower half. So just drag a line. Write down upper half, lower half. Now we need to see whether the teams are paired or not. As we can see in upper half, 9 teams are there, so we can easily analyze that teams will not be paired. So when teams will not be paired, we need to use by. Again, find out by. 2 into 2, 4. 17 is greater. 4 into 2, 8. Still 17 is greater. 8 into 2, 16. Still we find 17 is greater. 16 into 2, it becomes 32. But we find 32 is greater than 17. So we need to stop then and there only. Subtract 17 from 32. We get 15. So 15 buys altogether. There is also a formula of distributing buys in upper half and lower half. So let us know. For upper half, the formula would be NB minus 1 upon 2, where NB stands for number of buy. That means 15 minus 1 upon 2. That means 14 upon 2 means 7 buys in upper half. For lower half, formula would be NB plus 1 upon 2, where NB means number of buys. That means 15 plus 1 upon 2, it becomes 16 upon 2 means 8 buys in lower half. Always keep in mind, whenever we will be distributing teams into two halves, one team will be more in upper half, whereas whenever we will be distributing buy, we need to notice that one buy will be more in lower half. That is just to balance the equation. Yes, dear students, now let us apply these formulas into numerical. So as per formula, we need to give 7 buys to upper half and 8 buys to lower half. So first buy is always given to last team of lower half. Second buy is given to first team of upper half. Third buy is given to the first team of lower half. Fourth buy is given to the last team of upper half. Fifth buy is given to the second last team of lower half, that is 16. Sixth bye is given to team number 2. Seventh bye is given to 11. Eighth bye is given to team number 8. Ninth bye is given to team 15. Tenth bye is given to team number 3. Eleventh number bye is given to team number 12. Twelfth bye is given to team 7. 13th bye is given to team 14. 14th bye is given to team 4. And 15th bye is given to team number 13. So, as per formula, we have given 15 byes. Now, just count in lower half 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As per formula, we need to give 8 byes to lower half, and we have given 8 byes. So, things are matching. In upper half, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As per formula also, in upper half we need to give 7 byes. So things are matching. So we can proceed further. Only the teams which have not get byes will be playing their round 1 matches. That we need to keep in our mind. Write round 1 on the top. Since 5 and 6 have not been given any bye, they will only play first round match. Find out winner. From round 2 onwards, all the teams which have get bye along with the winner of round 1 will start playing. Write down round 2 on the top. 1 will be playing with 2, 3 will be playing with 4, 6 will be playing with 7, 8 and 9 will be playing with each other. Simultaneously, 10 will be playing with 11, 12 will be playing with 13, 14 will be playing with 15, 16 will be playing with 17. Now we need to find out winners. As you can see, from 1 and 2 I have find out the winner 1, from 3 and 4 I have find out 3, from match between 6 and 7 I have find out 6 as a winner, match between 8 and 9 I have designated 9 as a winner, from the match between 10 and 11 10 is a winner, 12 and 13 12 is a winner, 14 and 15 14 is a winner, and from the match between 16 and 17 17 is been nominated as winner. Moving forward to round 3, 1 will be playing with 3, 6 with 9, 10 with 12, 14 with 17. Find out winner. Moving forward, round 4, 3 and 9 will be playing with each other simultaneously, 12 and 17 will be playing with each other. Find out winner. So 9 and 17 will be playing the final match, that is round 5. Here 17 I have nominated as winner. So this completes our fixture of 17 teams. The reason behind I have opted this fixture is number of byes are more. Whenever you will perform, you will give more number of bye, your confidence will grow. Next, let us do a sum of 21 teams. Now, for knockout fixture of 21 teams, first of all, we will be writing out teams. As you can see, I have written down 21 teams vertically. Next, here one additional rule we need to keep in mind. That is, whenever number of teams will be 20 or more than 20, we need to divide total number of teams into quarters. So far, we have been distributing teams into upper half and lower half only. But rule says whenever total number of participating team will be 20 or more than 20, we need to divide into 4 quarters. That means we need to divide upper half into 2 and lower half into 2. That will become 4 quarters. So let us try. 21 is an odd number. For odd number of teams, upper half, the formula would be n plus 1 upon 2. That means 21 plus 1 upon 2 means 22 upon 2 means 11 teams. 11 teams in upper half. Just drag a line. 11. Now, as per rule, we need to divide into quarters because total number of teams participating are 21. So, we need to divide upper half into 2 and lower half into 2. So, to divide upper half into 2, we need to see how many teams are there in upper half. 11 teams are there in upper half. Again, 11 is an odd number. Same formula applies. So, for quarter 1, just formula would be n plus 1 upon 2. That means 11 plus 1 upon 2 means 12 upon 2. That means 6 teams. 6 teams will be in quarter 1. Small line. Just write down quarter 1. Quarter 2. Next, how many teams are in lower half? 10 teams. 10 is an even number. So, n upon 2 would be the formula. Simply write here, quarter 3, formula would be n upon 2. That means 10 upon 2, 5 teams. You can find in the video that I have only shown formula for quarter 1 and quarter 3. If we find out how many teams will be in quarter 1, naturally we will be getting for quarter 2. Similarly, if I find out for quarter 3, I will be getting how many teams will be in quarter 4. So I am not going for that formula. So, as you can see, I have designated 4 quarters. Now we need to see whether the teams are paired or not. We will find in quarter 2 there are 5 teams. Teams will not be paired. Whenever teams will not be paired, we need to use by. Next, find out by. 2 into 2, 4. 21 is greater. 4 into 2, 8. Still 21 is greater. 8 into 8 into 2, 16. Still 21 is greater. 16 into 2, 32. We need to stop then and there because 32 is greater than 21. So 32 minus 21, it becomes 11. So total number of byes are 11. Now again putting into formula, upper half NB minus 1 upon 2, that stands 11 minus 1 upon 2 means 5 byes. 5 byes in upper half. My quarter 1 and quarter 2 is upper half and quarter 3 and quarter 4 is lower half. Lower half, it will be NB plus 1 upon 2. That means 11 plus 1 upon 2 means 6 byes. So altogether 5 byes are to be given in upper half and 6 byes in lower half. Here, please pay attention. While distributing byes in upper half, that is quarter 1 and quarter 2, I will treat quarter 1 as upper half and quarter 2 as lower half. So far, while distributing byes, whatever process we have applied, the same process we will be applying here also. But little bit we need to be cautious enough. That is, again I am repeating, quarter 1 will be my upper half, quarter 2 will be lower half. Similarly for lower half, quarter 3 will be my upper half, quarter 4 will be my lower half. So first of all, let me give 5 byes in upper half. By 1 to team 11, by 2 to team 1, by 3 to team 7, by 4 to team 6. We need to give 5 means one more by, come to 10. By 5 to team number 10. So for upper half we have given byes, 5 byes we have given. Come to lower half. Now when starting byes for lower half, you need not to again start from 1. You just continue after 5. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so as. So again quarter 3 will be upper half, quarter 4 will be lower half for me for distributing byes only. So by 6 to team 21, by 7 to team 12, by 8 to team number 17, by 9 to team number 16, by 10 to team number 20, by 11 to team number 13. So according to rule, I have given 6 byes in lower half. Now we need to find out the teams which have not get the byes. They will only play the round 1 match, right? Round 1 on the top. As you can see, find out winner. Second round onwards, all the team which have get bye will start playing. Put up round 2. 1 will be playing with 2, 4 will be playing with 6, 7 will be playing with 9, 10 and 11 will be playing with each other. 17, 12 and 13 will play with each other. 14 will be playing with 16, 17 will be playing with 19, 20 and 21 will be playing with each other. Find out winner. be very cautious when finding out winner. A single wrong entry can ruin your entire fixture. Find out winner. Moving forward, round 4. This is the fixture for 21 teams where we have divided into 4 quarters. So, first of all we have learned about 8 teams, then 16 teams, then 13 teams, then 17 teams, and this one is 21 teams. Okay, with this we come to an end. Tomorrow we will be coming again with new file, with new video. Thank you.